I'm Sheila Cunningham, and today we're going to be making two small projects that are inspired by Martin Luther King. So one of the things we're going to make is we're going to make a little My Book of Dreams, and then so that you can see your dreams hanging so that you will remember them. People talk about if you're dreaming, your head are in the clouds, and so this is a cute little mobile, because who doesn't love mobiles? And this is doing the same thing, where it has my dreams for me, for my family, and for the world. So for the book, you'll need some ribbon, because we're going to do a couple different versions, some strips of paper to wrap around the spine, some pieces of text weight paper, and a couple of different cardstocks, and it could be any color. So let's get started with the book. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to talk about the book, and this is just a simple pamphlet style book. And what we did to make it easier is we just have some staples along the side, but we covered it up with this strip of paper. So I'm going to take my pages and I'm going to have them all together, and then I'm going to fold them together so I have them folded in half. Then I'm going to choose one of my colors, and if you have other colors, that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and do the darker blue, and I'm going to fold this one in half. And I want to make sure that I get a nice fold. And I don't want to crease this too hard yet, because I want these pages to fit inside the fold. Now I can press this a little bit harder and make a better crease. So before I staple, I want to talk about an easy way to do this. If you don't have a stapler or you don't want to staple, you could take a long piece of ribbon and just put it through the middle on both sides, and then I could come up here, and then I could just tie a knot or a bow or something. And then if I wanted to add this way, I could add more pages, or if I wanted to take some pages out, I could just slip them out, or I could have a bunch of pages. So this is an interesting way to do one. The other way I could do this is I have it like this, and I'm going to staple these pages. Okay, so now I have my staples. So I have two different sizes of strips here, because on this one I knew I wanted to cut something that was kind of the shape of clouds, so I needed to have a little bit of extra. On this one, this should be maybe enough just to cover the staples. So if I just have this narrow one, then I could have it narrow like this, or I could have the wider one that I could cut the cloud shape. And then I could just put glue on here and glue this on. So once you have this part done, and this book could be any color you want. It doesn't have to be the blue of clouds. It could be anything you like. And then you have to figure out, what title do you want for your book? I put My Book of Dreams, and I did the thick letters so I could do some different designs in it. And then on the spine, then I drew some little shapes of clouds, and I did this in a marker so you could see it. And I could have done this in colors. I could have colored all my different letters. It's up to you what you would like to do. And then on the inside, I did this with the colored pencils because I didn't want the marker to bleed through the paper. So the first one I did is My Dreams for Me. So what are your dreams? Is there something that you want to do, you want to learn? What is it that will be a dream for you? Then for your family, what is your family dream? You want your family to get together, you want your family to visit relatives, go to your favorite place. What would be your dream for your family? Then for the world, what would you have? What kind of dream would you have for the whole world? Maybe everybody could be nice to each other. What would be your dream for the whole entire world? And again, you could draw pictures of that. So the next project we could do, because remember, when we're dreaming, we're in the clouds. So the mobile is very simple, and I have this top one is I just used half half of a sheet of paper, and I just cut a cloud shape, what I thought would be a cloud shape. Then I have on a sheet of paper, I could either draw a cloud shape, or I could just cut one out like I just did. And then I would want, so this is going to be my main part of the mobile. So I'm just going to punch a hole here at the top. And then I'll need 3 more here, so I'm going to put one in the middle, kind of opposite this. I'm going to, for the bottom, I have 3 different cloud shapes that I cut out and I put a hole in. So then all I would need to do is take my ribbon, and I need to measure some for the top, and then where do I want my little shapes to be. And so up here, my dreams, and then I just put dreams all the way around here. And this is my dreams for me, my dreams for my family, and my dreams for the world. And you could decorate this however you wanted to, and you could put a few of the dreams that are really the most important to you, that you want to remember all the time, so that you could hang this up so you could see those. And you could do them on both sides. That would be nice, because this is going to move around because it's a mobile, so it'll move around. And then you can have tons and tons of dreams in the little book. So here are the 2 things. So have a great time with these, and thank you.